Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play the Clash of Clans theme on piano. We will break down this epic melody into manageable sections, making it accessible for players of all levels. We will start by focusing on the main right-hand melody, then introduce the foundational left-hand bass notes. The piece is primarily in the key of C minor, giving it that recognizable, heroic sound. Get ready to bring the world of Clash of Clans to your fingertips. Let's start with the right hand, focusing on the main melody. You will begin by playing the triple note C, E flat, and G together, repeating this 5 times. After that, transition to the triple note C, F, and A flat, playing it 3 consecutive times. Finally, play the triple note D, F, and B flat 2 times. This sequence forms the memorable opening phrase of the theme, so practice it slowly to ensure accuracy. Now, let's introduce the left hand part, which provides the harmonic foundation. The left hand mostly plays simple octave bass notes. Begin with a C bass note, playing it 2 times. If reaching an octave is challenging for your hand, you can simply play a single C bass note twice instead. The key is to maintain a steady rhythm and provide a solid base for your right-hand melody. This part is designed to be straightforward. To combine both hands, start by playing the right-hand melody and left-hand bass notes together at a very slow tempo. Focus on the coordination between your hands, ensuring each note aligns correctly. Gradually increase your speed as you become more comfortable. A great tip is to listen to the original Clash of Clans theme multiple times to internalize its rhythm and overall feel. Consistent practice will help you master this exciting piece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.